Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. The kitchen has evolved far beyond being a mere space for cooking. In 2025, it's the heart of the home, a space where functionality meets style, and innovation transforms everyday living. This year's modern kitchen trends redefine the balance between sleek aesthetics and practical design. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for inspiration to refresh your space, these ideas will help you create a kitchen that's both beautiful and efficient. From sustainable materials to cutting-edge smart technology, let's explore what makes a modern kitchen truly stand out this year. Sustainability is at the forefront of modern kitchen design in 2025. Homeowners are prioritizing eco-friendly materials that not only look stunning but also reduce environmental impact. Reclaimed wood is a popular choice for cabinets and shelving, adding warmth and character while giving new life to old materials. Bamboo, known for its rapid renewability, is another favorite for flooring and countertops. For those seeking a more contemporary touch, recycled metals and terrazzo surfaces made from recycled glass are making waves. These materials combine durability with a unique, artistic appeal. Kitchens are also shifting toward carbon-neutral options, with brands offering cabinetry and fixtures made using green manufacturing processes. This shift allows you to enjoy a stylish kitchen while contributing to a healthier planet. Technology is revolutionizing the kitchen, making it smarter and more convenient than ever. In 2025, smart kitchens are designed to simplify everyday tasks while enhancing energy efficiency. Imagine refrigerators that notify you when items are running low, or ovens that preheat themselves before you even step into the room. Voice-controlled appliances and AI-powered assistants are becoming staples, allowing you to adjust temperatures, set timers, or find recipes with just a few words. App-connected lighting lets you customize the ambience of your kitchen, from bright task lighting to a warm glow for dinner parties. Even faucets are getting smarter, offering touchless controls and precise temperature settings. These innovations not only add a futuristic touch, but also make your kitchen a seamless part of your smart home ecosystem, blending technology with everyday functionality. Natural stone is making a bold comeback in modern kitchens, bringing elegance and timeless beauty to the forefront. Materials like marble, quartzite, and soapstone are being embraced for their durability and unique, organic patterns. These stones effortlessly elevate any kitchen, offering a luxurious yet natural aesthetic. In 2025, designers are taking natural stone beyond countertops. Full-height stone backsplashes are trending, creating a seamless flow that showcases the material's intricate veining. Mixing finishes is another innovative approach, pairing polished stone with honed or leathered textures to add depth and character. Whether you prefer the subtle sophistication of marble or the dramatic allure of dark quartzite, natural stone is a versatile choice that turns your kitchen into a stunning focal point. The color trends of 2025 are all about creating warmth and serenity in the kitchen. Earthy tones like terracotta, taupe, and olive green are taking center stage, offering a connection to nature that feels grounding and inviting. Paired with soft neutrals like beige, cream, and off-white, these colors create a harmonious backdrop for a modern, sophisticated space. This palette is perfect for those who want their kitchen to feel calm yet stylish. Earthy tones can be used on cabinetry or walls, while neutral shades keep the space feeling open and airy. To add a personal touch, consider incorporating subtle pops of color, like mustard yellow or deep teal, through decorative items, such as bar stools or ceramic accessories. With these combinations, the kitchen becomes more than a workspace. It transforms into a warm and welcoming environment for family and friends. In 2025, the trend of concealed kitchens is gaining popularity, offering a minimalist and clutter-free design that's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Concealed kitchens are all about blending seamlessly with the surrounding space. Imagine sleek cabinetry that hides your appliances and storage behind smooth, continuous surfaces, allowing the kitchen to disappear when not in use. Retractable doors and sliding panels are key features in these designs, enabling you to close off the kitchen from the rest of the home when needed. This design works particularly well in open-concept spaces, where the kitchen can blend into the living or dining areas, maintaining a sense of openness and flow. With concealed kitchens, functionality is never compromised. Hidden storage solutions, like pull-out drawers, integrated shelves, and appliance garages, ensure everything has its place, while keeping the look clean and uncluttered. This style isn't just about minimalism, it's about creating a harmonious environment where the kitchen serves its purpose without overwhelming the rest of the room. The kitchen island continues to reign supreme in modern design, especially in 2025, where bigger is often better. Large, multipurpose islands are a focal point in many kitchens, serving as both functional workspaces and social hubs. These expansive islands provide ample room for meal prep, entertaining, and even dining, making them essential for families and those who love to host. Incorporating features like built-in sinks, wine coolers, and storage drawers into the island adds even more versatility. Some islands are designed to house appliances, such as dishwashers or microwave drawers, streamlining the space and keeping the rest of the kitchen free from clutter. This trend also embraces the idea of islands doubling as gathering places, with comfortable seating around the edge for family meals, casual chats, or even a spot to do homework. Whether it's a sleek, minimalist design or one with a touch of luxury like marble or wood detailing, a large, multipurpose kitchen island is a must-have for creating a modern, functional kitchen that's perfect for any lifestyle. Lighting is no longer just about function, it's an opportunity to make a bold design statement in the kitchen. In 2025, statement lighting fixtures are playing a key role in setting the mood and enhancing the overall aesthetic of the space. Whether it's a striking chandelier above the kitchen island or sleek, sculptural pendant lights over the countertops, lighting is being used as an art form. Large, dramatic pendant lights are one of the biggest trends, with designers opting for oversized, eye-catching designs that double as statement pieces. These fixtures not only illuminate but also add texture, color, and a touch of glamour to the kitchen. Mixing different types of lighting, like task lighting under cabinets, ambient lighting for a cozy atmosphere, and accent lighting to highlight key features, creates depth and enhances the room's functionality. In addition to style, there's a focus on energy-efficient options. LED fixtures are leading the charge, offering both eco-friendly benefits and a variety of design possibilities. Whether you're going for a contemporary, industrial look or something more luxurious, statement lighting in the kitchen is all about making an impact while keeping the space well lit and inviting. Open shelving is evolving in 2025 to embrace a more minimalist, refined look. While open shelves have long been a popular design choice, the trend now focuses on clean lines and subtle elegance, emphasizing simplicity without sacrificing style. Rather than cluttered or overstuffed shelves, this approach uses a curated selection of items, sleek dishware, decorative jars, or elegant glassware, that blend seamlessly with the overall kitchen design. The shelves themselves are often made from minimalist materials, like floating wooden planks or thin metal brackets, to keep the space feeling airy and uncluttered. By combining open shelving with a minimalist touch, the kitchen becomes a functional space that feels open and organized. This trend is perfect for those who want to showcase a few favorite pieces, while maintaining a calm, sophisticated atmosphere. In 2025, two-toned cabinets are making a major comeback, bringing dynamic contrast and depth to modern kitchen designs. This style involves pairing two complementary colors or finishes, often mixing a darker shade for the lower cabinets with a lighter one for the upper cabinets, creating a balanced yet striking visual effect. Popular color pairings include navy blue with soft gray, or matte black with warm wood tones, offering a sophisticated and contemporary look. The combination of different materials is also trending, such as pairing glossy, white lacquered cabinets with rich wood accents. Two-toned cabinetry allows homeowners to express their style while maintaining a cohesive kitchen design. This trend also brings attention to specific design elements, like highlighting the island or custom features. It's a fresh, bold approach that adds personality to the space without overwhelming it, making the kitchen both functional and visually exciting. In 2025, backsplashes are no longer just functional, they've become a canvas for creativity and innovation. Homeowners are embracing new materials, textures, and bold designs that elevate the kitchen's overall aesthetic. From colorful geometric patterns to sleek, large-format tiles, backsplashes are becoming the focal point of the kitchen. One of the standout trends is the use of mixed materials. Combining traditional tile with glass, metal, or even mirrored finishes creates a striking contrast that adds dimension and visual interest. Another exciting trend is the use of textured backsplashes, such as 3D tiles or raised patterns, which bring depth and tactility to the space. Additionally, full-wall backsplashes, where the backsplash extends from counter to ceiling, are growing in popularity, especially with luxurious materials like marble or natural stone. These innovative backsplash designs offer endless opportunities for personalization, turning a practical feature into a work of art that enhances the overall style of the kitchen. In 2025, integrated appliances are a key trend, offering a sleek and cohesive look for modern kitchens. These appliances are built into the cabinetry, blending seamlessly with the surrounding materials for a minimalist, streamlined aesthetic. By hiding refrigerators, dishwashers, and even microwaves behind custom cabinetry panels, the kitchen feels more open and organized, free from the visual clutter of bulky appliances. The move toward integrated appliances isn't just about looks, it's also about functionality. These appliances are designed to fit perfectly into the kitchen's flow, making the space more efficient. With innovations in smart technology, integrated appliances also offer advanced features like touchless controls and energy efficiency, enhancing both convenience and sustainability. From built-in ovens to concealed dishwashers, integrated appliances provide a sophisticated way to maintain a clean, cohesive design while still offering high-tech functionality. This trend reflects the increasing demand for kitchens that are not only beautiful, but also highly functional and user-friendly. In 2025, personalized touches are what truly make a kitchen feel like home. Homeowners are moving away from one-size-fits-all designs, opting instead for unique elements that reflect their individual style and preferences. Custom cabinetry, bespoke storage solutions, and hand-picked decor items are becoming essential in creating a kitchen that feels both functional and personal. From custom-made drawer pulls to unique backsplashes or countertops, every detail is an opportunity for expression. Personalizing storage areas with dedicated spaces for specific items, like wine racks or herb gardens, adds both practicality and personality. Incorporating decor items like artistic lighting, plants, or even vintage finds brings warmth and character into the kitchen. Whether it's a colorful rug, a family heirloom on display, or a set of custom-designed shelves, these personal touches make the kitchen a space that's truly unique. As we move into 2025, the kitchen is no longer just a place to cook, it's a space to express individuality and creativity. In 2025, natural light plays a central role in modern kitchen design. Large windows, glass doors, and even skylights are being incorporated to bring in as much natural light as possible, creating bright, airy spaces. The connection between indoors and outdoors is stronger than ever, with designs that allow the kitchen to seamlessly flow into adjacent outdoor areas. Sliding glass doors and bifold windows open up the kitchen to patios or gardens, blurring the line between the two spaces. This design creates a sense of openness, allowing natural light to flood the kitchen while offering beautiful views of the outside. By combining natural light with strategic indoor-outdoor flow, kitchens become more welcoming and connected to nature. This trend not only enhances the kitchen's ambience, but also makes it feel larger and more inviting. In 2025, bold flooring choices are transforming kitchens into spaces with strong visual impact. Homeowners are moving away from traditional neutral tones and embracing vibrant colors, dramatic patterns, and unique textures. Large format tiles in bold patterns, like chevron or herringbone, add energy and sophistication. Vibrant hues like deep blues, rich greens, or even matte black are becoming popular for creating striking focal points on the floor. Wooden floors are also seeing a resurgence, but with a twist. Distinctive finishes and textures, such as wide planks or reclaimed wood, are making them more unique. For an ultramodern look, concrete or terrazzo floors are becoming a bold choice, offering durability and style. These bold flooring trends add personality to the kitchen, making it a standout feature of the home. In 2025, flexible storage solutions are essential for creating organized and functional kitchens. With the trend towards multi-purpose spaces, homeowners are looking for innovative ways to maximize storage while maintaining a clean, open design. Pull-out shelves, hidden drawers, and modular units allow for customizable storage that adapts to changing needs. Clever storage solutions, like built-in spice racks, pull-out pantry shelves, and drawer organizers, are becoming increasingly popular for their practicality. Under-cabinet storage, including pull-out trash bins and recycling drawers, helps keep the kitchen tidy and efficient. In addition, open shelving and adjustable shelves offer flexible options for displaying items or adding extra storage space as needed. These flexible solutions ensure that the kitchen remains functional, organized, and adaptable, offering a perfect balance between style and practicality. In 2025, soft pastels are adding a playful yet sophisticated touch to modern kitchen designs. These gentle hues, including mint green, pale lavender, and soft peach, create a calm, inviting atmosphere while adding a touch of whimsy to the space. Pastels are being used in various elements, from cabinetry and countertops to backsplashes and accessories. Their subtle tones bring warmth and a light, airy feel, making kitchens feel more spacious and bright. Pairing pastel hues with neutral tones or natural materials, like wood, enhances their soft charm without overwhelming the design. Whether it's a pastel-colored island, pastel tiles, or even pastel kitchen appliances, these shades bring a fresh, contemporary twist to the kitchen. This trend is perfect for those who want to add personality and charm while maintaining a serene and stylish environment. In 2025, mixed metals are becoming a defining feature in kitchen design, offering a modern and sophisticated twist on traditional finishes. By combining different metal tones, like brushed gold, matte black, and stainless steel, homeowners are creating unique, layered looks that add depth and intrigue. The key to mastering this trend is balance. For example, pairing warm gold or brass accents with cooler stainless steel or matte black appliances creates a striking contrast that enhances the overall design. Mixed metals can be used for hardware, light fixtures, faucets, and even shelving, allowing for endless customization. This trend breaks the old rule of sticking to one metal finish, encouraging experimentation and personalization. The result is a kitchen that feels dynamic and fashionable, with each metal finish complementing the others to create a cohesive yet eclectic style. As we look ahead to 2025, modern kitchen designs are all about blending functionality with bold style choices. From innovative backsplashes and integrated appliances to the use of natural light and personalized touches, kitchens are becoming more than just spaces for cooking. They're becoming reflections of personal style and creativity. Whether it's through the dynamic look of two-toned cabinets, the elegance of soft pastels, or the sophistication of mixed metals, these trends are setting the stage for kitchens that are not only beautiful but also highly functional. By incorporating some of these design elements, homeowners can create kitchens that are both on-trend and timeless, tailored to their needs and tastes. Embrace these 2025 kitchen trends and transform your space into a hub of style, innovation, and comfort. If you enjoyed these design ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration from HD Interiors.